Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to create content using your mobile phone. So you don't have to wait until you have a camera before you can create content, or you don't have to wait until you have a tripod before you can create a content, or until you have that big standing tripod. You can always finesse your way around everything. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing you want to do when you want to film your YouTube content or whatever content you're creating is to make sure that you're having enough battery life, because filming does drain battery. So you want to make sure that you have 100% full battery life, or you want to make sure that you have an extra power bank to power your phone when it's slow. And the second thing also you want to do is to make sure that you're filming on landscape mode, because that's how Instagram and YouTube post videos. So you don't want to film using like this, you want to film using like this. So this is what it means to film on landscape mode. So always film using your phone like this and never like this, because if you don't use your phone like this, you're going to end up having that two lag bars at the side of your video, and you're not going to like that. So always film horizontally, landscape mode. Filming? Okay. So the tip number 3, always check your story. So tip number 3 is check your story. Make sure that you have like 5 to 10 gig, or when you have like 5 to 10 gig of storage space before you start filming, because you don't want to start filming and then your phone is telling you that no space. Then how are you going to complete your filming? That way you're not going to complete your filming for that day. So what I do before I film is I make sure that I transfer all my phone, all my the ones I've posted. I make sure that if there's no way I can do it, I make sure that I send it to my sister's phone and keep it for safe keeping. Then I delete it from my phone, then I film the ones. After that, then I return it back to my phone. Or if I know I'm not going to use it anymore, I delete it. But I don't like that, because I kind of recently lost a video which I cannot recover, and it's so painful that you have to shoot a video that you've done already all over again. So you always make sure that you have that extra storage on your phone. That way you don't have enough space to film as long as you want to. Okay, always clean your lens, because if you don't clean your lens, your videos are going to come out blurry. It's not going to come out sharp. So always clean up your lens, because by the time you receive your phone, then all your makeup gets onto your phone and then make the screen. And apart from your makeup getting onto your phone, your hands, we have grease in my hands, you rub it on the phone. So that way, before you always film your videos, always clean your front camera if you're using a front camera, or you clean your back camera if you want to use the camera. And also make sure that you're filming in the highest quality possible, or you film in the HD, minimum of the HD, because that way you're going to have the full quality your phone is giving. Before you film, check your phone settings, go to your camera setting and your video setting. Make sure that your setting is on the full quality that the phone can provide. Okay, that way your video comes out very sharp and neat and looking all crazy. Another thing is that when you're filming, always look at the lens. Don't look at the viewfinder. So I'm going to show you how it's going to look when I look at the viewfinder, which I'm looking at myself instead of looking at you guys. So, okay, now this is me looking into the viewfinder, and I'm not making contact with your audience. So always try as much as possible to make contact with your audience. Look into the lens and not into the viewfinder. Turn off for so many people like me is a turn off, because it looks somehow, it doesn't look as if you're communicating to me. I don't know, I feel as if you have this full of eyes. So when you're doing, always look into the viewfinder, the topic of today. So stay on. Okay, I'm going to show you what my phone is on right now. My phone is on a warmer. Yeah, it's on a tripod and on a warmer. This is the warmer and this is my tripod. So always have a form of stability for your phone. You don't want to be filming and you're clips are shaking because you're holding it, or because of the thing you're holding it on is not stable, it's going to be a turn off for some people. So always make sure that you have something to film on. Always, even if you don't have a warmer, even if you don't have a tripod, like this tripod, I think I got it for like 3,000 naira, not very expensive. So you can go for something. There are even cheaper one. I got another tripod for 8,500. So you can get something as small as that. It's very small and very affordable. So because I watch a lot of videos where, like, if you don't have a tripod, it's okay, but it's okay and it is not okay, because you don't want to be filming and it's shaking and shaking, because it's going to be a turn off for so many people. So always try as much as possible to stack up some things. If you like, you can stack up books, crates, whatever you want to stack up. But right now I'm using my warmer to do the filming. And one other thing that is like a debate for some people is whether to use your front camera to film or to use your back camera to film. You can use whatever one that works for you. Like, depending on the quality of your phone, if your phone records, you're going to try it out. If your phone front camera records very well, if the quality is nice, then you can go for your front camera. But if the quality of your back camera is nicer, then go for your back camera. But I know that back cameras are usually very good than the front camera. Right now I'm even recording with the front camera. Let me show you guys. You can see I'm currently recording with the front camera of this phone, but even the back camera is nicer, the front camera is nice also. So I decided to just go with the front camera. But if you test your phone and you discover that your phone camera, the back one is better than the front, then stick to the front. Stick to the back. Always stay close to your phone. That way your phone is able to pick up the sound. I'm this close. Here I have my lighters here. I'm this close to my phone, so that way it picks all the sound I'm making, all the points I'm making. Don't be too far from your phone, especially when you don't have an external mic to use. You also put your phone on an airplane mode, because you don't want to be filming and then calls are coming in here and there. That way it's going to disturb your filming, it's going to interrupt your filming. That way you're rushing to put it off, you're rushing to do this and that. So always put your phone on airplane mode to have an uninterrupted filming process. That is all. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video, because sharing is caring also, and comment down below how you started to film your videos. And also, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.